Welcome to AVR Unlocked. Today we discuss the piton, the indispensable link in the crop handling line. The piton is a high-capacity twin conveyor that ensures product-friendly transport of potatoes. Thanks to the easy connection between the receiving hopper and the store loader or box filler, the piton can transport potatoes on a continuous basis.
Behind me is the Piton T8014. This is our twin conveyor. It has a maximum length of 14 meters and a conveyor belt width of 80 centimeters. This one also has a bigger brother, the Python 8018T, and this has a total maximum length of 18 meters. Now, what are the strong points of this twin conveyor? Point 1, capacity. The Piton has a capacity of up to 340 tons per hour. This is due to the 2.2 kilowatt motor drive that is powering this twin conveyor, and it's also easily to change the speed with the frequency regulation system in it. Piton T has to be easily adjustable in both length and position. The length is adjusted through the central sliding mechanism, which is motor driven, and this allows the Piton to be adjusted from 8.5 to 14 meters, or for the bigger one, the Piton 8018, from 13.5 to 18 meters in length. Now, we did the length adjustment, now we're going to do the position adjustment. The most easy way is just pushing it manually, of course, but there's also a hitch point on the outside, and on the middle of the first frame there's also a point where you can attach the forklift to easily move it around. Now, what's special about this Piton is that this Piton is equipped with what we call a comfort pack. A comfort pack is actually a wheel set which is hydraulically driven for both steering direction and drive. So this allows for the Piton to be moved around remotely using the controls on the keypad or on the display here. We know that during the in-store of the crop it can be quite hectic, so you have to move around the Piton quite easily, quite quick. The comfort package is ideal to help with that. We put a lot of effort in making our controls as easy as possible with simple icons so that any operator can work with it without the need of reading a big manual. Now, point 3, and maybe the most important point, is that the Piton is developed to bring product from point A to point B in the quickest but also most product-friendly way. This is made possible by putting focus on some very important details. One of those details is the hydraulic height adjustment on both the crop entry and exit side of the twin conveyor. This allows for a smooth coupling to the receiving hopper as well as the store loader or box filler. It also ensures a smooth transfer with a minimal drop and no loss of potatoes. The entry and the transfer funnel of the twin conveyor are foreseen with a rubber cover to ensure a soft landing of the crop. Additionally, rubber fingers are also mounted to ensure proper transfer from any working angle without any loss of potatoes. Now, point 4, and the last key point, is the fact that Piton twin conveyor is always part of the crop handling line. So, it needs to be possible to be integrated in that line, both in mechanical and in electrical way. The Piton is therefore foreseen with a mechanical coupling at the exit side, so to be coupled to, for example, store loader, and electrically it is foreseen with line control. Line control ensures that the complete crop handling line is started and stopped in the correct sequence so that there is no product buildup or loss when the line is started or stopped.
To conclude, the Piton is the ideal machine for transporting your potatoes from point A to point B in the best conditions.